the mission in your life is very important. That can drive you forward, that can give you energy to come out of your comfort zone, and that can give you signals to take action. And if you are still not having mission for your life as a personal, then in this video I am going to tell you how to build your mission, and that will give you a new prospect to your life. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pegadia and thanks for tuning here. If you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it, and let's start this video. What is mission statement? Sometimes we got confused between our mission, our goal, or vision. So please don't get confused between these all, and let me tell you what is mission statement. A formal summary of the aims and values of a company, organization, or individual. Formal summary of your aims, what you want to target, what is your aim. The formal summary of that is your mission, and that you should have for your life. You are on this planet, and if you are not achieving something significant, if you are not achieving some mission for you, then that is not a good thing for you. So please have your mission, and how to have and what mission can do for you I will tell in next chapter. Next is why to build mission statement. What mission statement can do for you. So we will understand this in 4 points, and number 1 point is it determines the direction, in which direction you are going. You may be going in wrong direction, you may be not moving at the speed you should move. So your mission will determine the direction you are moving, the speed you are moving. Next thing that mission will do for you is it focuses the future. Now it is the main part where people get confused between mission and vision. So what is the vision? Vision is the individual's forecast, a company's forecast, that we want to be in this position after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years. But the mission is the actions that should be taken to achieve your vision. So it focuses the future. Future, what we want to achieve in future. To achieve that, we should take action, and our mission statement will help us to focus on the future. And next help it will give us is it provide a template for decision making. If we are not clear on our mission, what we should do right now to achieve our vision, then we may in the dilemma while making decisions. But if we are clear on our mission statement, what we have to do right now, then we are going to make very fast decision, and that is going to give us the direction, and that is going to give us the results very fast. So it provides a template for decision making. And the next thing it is going to help us is it shapes strategy, that is somehow related to decision making, but it also shapes our strategy, what we have to do today, what we have to do next month, what we have to do next year, and how we have to achieve our vision. So these are the 4 reasons to have mission statement for yourself, to have mission statement for your company or whatever organization you are running. If you found these 4 reasons sufficient to have mission statement, please comment below sufficient, and in next chapter I will tell you how to build mission statement. Building mission statement is not an easy task. It should be proper. So for making our mission statement, I will tell 4 points that will determine how to decide your mission statement. So the number 1 point is it should be larger than you. Think about your clients, your students. Your mission should not be about yourself. You have to think about your clients, your students, and your personal goal should be the byproduct of your mission. Like if I want to help 100,000 people to build multiple streams of income by sharing their knowledge using MSI ecosystem. So my mission is to help that 100,000 people. But by helping that 100,000 people, my personal goals, my personal financial goals, my personal spiritual goals, my personal self-development goals are going to be achieved automatically. Because to help them, I have to develop myself. To help them, I have to sell them the product, I have to sell them the courses. So the financial goal and the personal development goal are byproduct of my mission. That should be in your mission also. It should be larger than you. Think about your clients and think about your students. If it is eye-opener for you, please comment below eye-opener, and let me tell you the next thing that you should keep in mind while deciding your mission. Have a number. It should be 100k, it should be 1 million, it should be 1000, it should be more than 1 million. So have that number. Once you have the number, you have a point where you want to go. You know where you want to go, and you can measure your success in percentage, how fast you are moving, how slow you are moving, and what you have to do to move fast, what you have to do to correct the things that are stopping you from moving fast. And the next thing, please keep in mind while deciding your mission statement is, please include what problem you are going to solve in your mission. Please include what problem you are going to solve as an individual, as a company, as an organization. What problem you are going to solve for your students, for your clients. And that should be the part of your mission. And that will give you that you have to solve this problem because it is part of your mission, and solving this problem is going to give you the freedom. Solving this problem is going to give you the results to your students, to your clients. And the next thing to build your mission statement is method you will use. What method you are going to use? In my case, I am going to use MSI ecosystem for the students, and that MSI ecosystem I have developed very strong, that will give my students the financial freedom and the time freedom. So what method you are going to use, you should decide. What techniques and what strategy you are going to use, you should decide in your mission. And based upon that, if you build your mission today, then this mission is going to help you in future till achievement of this mission. So how you found these points to decide your mission? If you found these points useful, please comment below useful and like this video. And the next thing is, what is the next step for you? Make your mission statement and comment below. Make your mission statement today. I have given you 4 points. By knowing that 4 points, you can make your mission statement within 10 minutes. Make your mission statement and comment below this video so that I know what mission you are going to accomplish. Others know what mission you are going to accomplish. And download MSI guide. If you want to achieve your mission by using your knowledge, then MSI guide is very important thing for you. Please download that MSI guide, go through that MSI guide, and on the last page of MSI guide, you will find a link to book clarity session with me, and that is going to be a 30-minute free clarity session. And in that 30 minutes, I am going to give you the path, I am going to give you the vision, how you can achieve your mission, how you can achieve your goals. And if you are still not joined Telegram group of Youth Info Hub, please join that at www.t.me Youth Info Hub and be a privileged member of Youth Info Hub, where I will help you at each and every step. And thanks for watching this video. I am waiting for your mission statement and I read all the comments personally. Thank you and best of luck for your mission statement.